Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Amazon returned items for cheap. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is head on over to Amazon.com. Then when we're here, make sure to sign into your account. Now, once you signed into your account, on the left-hand side below the Amazon logo, we're going to see all. Click onto that. Then scroll down under Program and Features, click on See All. And now this is where we're going to see Amazon Second Chart. So go ahead and click onto Amazon Second Charts. So basically, Amazon Second Chart isn't a product. It's a substantially hub on Amazon.com that guides customers in giving their devices, packaging, and used goods a second life. It's basically like a centralized resource for reuse, repair, trading, resale, and recycling. And now once we're on this page, just scroll down here and we've got a few different options here. So we've got recycled packaging, repair items, but the one we want to do is shop for pre-owned items. And then once we're on this page, we can shop via different categories. So we can look at pre-Amazon devices at the top here, and then Amazon renewed. We can see smartphone, computers, home and kitchen tools, smartwatches, etc., etc. So you can go in these categories and have a look what the prices are. So if we want to go ahead and look at pre-owned computers, we're going to open up that category and have a look. We can also filter on the left hand side. So when we scroll down, we'll notice that there is a renewed in front of it, and this is pre-owned. So go and have a look at all the different items inside of those categories, or you can go ahead and on the top here where it says search Amazon, it's going to have renewed computers and accessories, but we can go ahead and click into there and just type in, if you've got a particular computer or accessory, go ahead and click on search Amazon. So yeah, this is basically a great way to find cheap items that have been returned back to Amazon for whatever reason.